Hello everyone, this is Edgar. Welcome to Longstar. We are a professional manufacturer of designing and producing various types of artificial Christmas trees for over 20 years. This year we have opened another production line in Yangling District, Xi'an City of Shanxi Province, the starting point of Asian Silk Road. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a Christmas tree and how to connect the lights between different tree sections. And also at last we're going to show you how to expand the tips and branches to make sure the tree is very realistic and fluffy. Firstly, about how to assemble a Christmas tree. Look at the package content. The stand, 3 bolts, and the 3 sections. Bottom section, middle section, and top section. First step. Place the stand into X shape. And then insert the bolts. Second step, let's place the bottom section into the stand and screw tight the bolts to fix the bottom section. Next step, let's place the middle section into the inner pole and connect the 2 sections. Next, the top section into the pole. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to connect the lights between different sections of the tree. So first, we're going to locate the lights connectors A and B. Then we need to insert and screw tight the connectors. After connecting the lights connectors between different sections, then we need to insert the plug into the outlet. And now the tree is lit up. Thirdly, I'm going to show you how to expand the tips and branches to make sure the tree is realistic and fluffy. So the principle is to expand the tips outward and making the V shape like this. And fill the space to make the tree look fuller. Okay, now as you can see, the tips and branches are fully expanded. Now, dear friends, look at the tree. The tree is in a perfect shape. After expanding the tips and connecting the lights, now it becomes a perfect PE-PVC mixed pre-lit Christmas tree. And if you are interested in this Christmas tree, please contact me right now. And if you have any plan of purchasing Christmas tree, contact Longstar. Thank you.